Hi everyone, my name is Josh Cummings, and welcome to my course, Securing Java Web Application Data. I'm a principal software engineer on the Spring Security team. Did you know that even if 99% of all data were unhackable, that still leaves a dataset the size of 30 Gmails ready to be intruded upon? The task at hand is truly daunting. This course is about using Java to make your data more secure. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include the 3 rules of data stewardship, secure standards for hashing, including what makes MD5 so bad, the Java Deserialization Apocalypse, and how to protect your code from it, a deep dive into the JSSE and other APIs for key management, signing, and encryption, and how JSSE became associated with the most dangerous code in the world, and what to do about it. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use the principles of encoding, hashing, signing, and encryption in Java. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Java, including Java 8. From here, you should feel comfortable diving further into Java Web Application Security with courses like Securing Java Web Applications and Securing Java Web Applications with Authentication. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Java Web Application Security with the Securing Java Web Application Data course at Pluralsight.